the norm. No manner submitting myself at any of your jurisdiction or granting you subject matter jurisdiction over me. This responsibility is mine, not yours. So let me be. You cannot see over me by the response of my prior response. I am not a federal employee or a federal officer. The federal income tax has not been levied upon as a result. I am not withheld within the exclusive geographical jurisdiction of IRS, nor I am within the IRS district that IRS has been authorized by 26 U.S.C. 7601 to canvass the taxpayer and taxable objects. I am not a party made liable, nor I am the fiduciary for the entity created by Social Security Administration and used to IRS by the IRS. The following form establish my citizenship, domicile, the tax status, and such as I am not the taxpayer subject to any provision of the IRS or internal code, internal revenue code as a person not domiciled or resident of federal territory and not engaged in any federal franchise, and such as a trade or a business affidavit of citizenship, domicile, the tax status. Yeah, motherfucker, what you gotta say now? That's some real shit, homeboy. We have to say it is a crime. It's impersonating public officer, impersonating to the 18 U.S.C. 912. And I do not wish to commit any crime by filing out any federal form that creates a presumption that I am a public officer and called a taxpayer. 26 U.S.C. 1641 says information return may only be filed against a person engaged in a trade or a business in which is defined as the function of public office, and 26 U.S.C. 770 A and Section 26. I am not engaged in trade or business as defined in 26 U.S.C. 7701 A 26. The government has been repeatedly asking me for evidence that I am engaged in a public office, and I refuse to provide any following, and therefore admit that I am not so engaged. My oath of office, which are mandatory for all those who engage. The physical office address within the District of Columbia where I work. My delegation is authorizatory order. The statutes that expressly authorize the alleged public office and to exercise in the physical place that I am the mandate by 4 U.S.C. 72 say that all public office are limited to District of Columbia and not elsewhere except expressly provided by law. Our Congress has never authorized any public office within the state of the Union under IRC Subtitle A, and therefore only persons working in the District of Columbia can be subject to IRCA Subtitle A income tax. Motherfucker. These motherfuckers are all fraudulent. They not real authority. Everybody make your stand. Let them know I do not maintain a legal domicile or resident in the statutory United States, in which I is limited to the District of Columbia per 26 U.S.C. 7701 A and 9 and A and 10. Domicile on federal territory is prerequisite and to being statutory U.S. citizen under U.S.C. 1401 and having the income tax liability, and even with the domicile in the statutory United States, the federal territory, and the only person who can taxpayer are citizens aboard pursuant to 26 U.S.C. 911 in that capacity, and they interface it with the IRC through a tax treaty as alien, and these are the consistent with the definition of individual in 26 CFR and 1.1441-1C and the 3 and which defines it that individually identifies the IRS Form 1040 as an alien and non-resident alien. There is no statute equivalent to IRC and 911 for persons who are not aboard, therefore no liability for citizens and within the United States who are not aboard. And see the review. My religion, my belief profit me, and having a domicile or resident within any man-made government. I am the transient foreigner, the ambassador, the sojourner, and wherever I go, it would only constitute compel association in violation of the First Amendment to compel me to choose the domicile and even a civil status such as citizen, resident, person, or taxpayers within a man-made government. Motherfucker, take that shit to the bank. Thanks for coming. The IRS has no authority to enforce the IRC outside the federal territory of the state of the union. Are not federal territory. State of the union are not included in the definition of a state found in 26 USC 7701A10. Pursuant the 26 USC 7601, IRS may only enforce within Internal Revenue District. The Treasury Order 15002, I place the only remaining Internal Revenue District in the District of Columbia. There is no such district within any other of the Union state. Let's see the review, Section 8 and 11 and following the dispute, especially the question at the end. Pursuant the rules of statutory construction, things that are included are limited to those things expressly spelled out. All other things must be presumed and purposely excluded by implication. Review the following if you disagree within 30 days or stop it by from challenge later. And I am a non-taxpayer and no one but me can make me a statutory taxpayer by filing a return assessing myself in a liability, which I do not do. IRS has no authority to perform or substitute for return. Using IRS Form 1040, only I assess myself and only then can the IRS adjust or add to non-zero assessment.